Going to see how to file your copyright online on copyright.go.in. Before starting the actual demonstration of how to file the copyright, let's see what exactly mean by the copyright. Copyright is simple thing. What we can say that you are claiming the ownership on whatever document you are, whatever what you can say creativity you have done, and you are restricting people from copying it. So if someone uses your work for their commercial benefit, you can sue them or you can stop them legally if you are having the legal copyright with you. Natural copyright is always with you. Whenever we create something, a natural copyright is with always us. So basically, if your work is not of that importance, that means if say suppose you written a story and there is no possibility that your story is going to become so popular that someone is going to adapt it for a film or someone is going to adapt it for some TV series, and likewise there is literally no need to copyright it. Okay, because natural copyright is always with you as per the Indian and even the international laws of copyright. But still, in our field of academics, we require to do this copyright. So let's see how to do the copyright. Okay. So here for copywriting, you first have to be very sure about whether your browser is updated or not. For example, if you are on a Google browser, because if your browser is not updated, you may get some error while filling some forms and likewise. So if you are on a Google browser, yeah, Chrome, okay, right now it's not responding me properly. So if you are on like the these Google Chrome browsers, just go to its setting, okay, and when you go to the settings of the Google browser, I updated my Google browser just few minutes before, so I'm not going to update it right now, but I'm just going to show you how to update it. Okay, so in Google browser, Chrome browser, just go to this About Chrome. When you click on the About Chrome, the Chrome browser automatically updates. Okay, for example, right now if we click on this, it says checking for the updates and start updating. Okay, so if your browser is updated properly, you will get no error in what you can say uh, filling different forms. So here is a up to date. So Google browser is updated. Once the Google browser is updated, so now you have to search for the copyright.go.in. So just go for this copyright office. So you have this copyright go.in. Okay, and start. So when copyright go.in starts, the screen will flash just like this. Okay, it shows that application numbers March 20 is many April we got these applications. It's a registration process, status of the copyright application, search and likewise. So close. Now here you are on this option e-filing of application in the Copyright Office of Government, e-filing of application. Just click on it. Okay. When you click on it, if you are already registered user of the thing, you can register for it, or else you can mm, click on this new user registration. I am seeing opening this new user registration form here. So here, it's a block. You have to click on it. So when we click on this, you get this new user registration form. Okay. So here we are having the new registration form. Here you require to enter your information, whatever Mr., Mrs., Miss, and like your name, surname, city, address, your complete address. Okay, that you require to enter here. and then you're required to enter all the required things, your number. Okay, you have to select one security question and have to give the answer. For example, let's say suppose if you select a security question, that is, who is your favorite hero, and many times you generally write there, let's say your favorite hero XYZ, what are the name of that hero. Don't give such answers, give some tricky answers so that no one can guess the answer to that question. Like, let's say, who is your favorite hero? You can say, why you require my favorite hero, like that. Okay, that is an answer. What you can say. Be rude there. Then use the user ID. Accordingly, select a secure password, and then enter this captcha. And after entering this captcha, okay, you just have to click on the submit, and you get your registration done. I'm already registered, so I'm not doing this process once again. Okay, now uh, I can go directly from here to the login. Okay, but we are going here to home now. Okay, so when we say home, okay, we got this, and after home, you have to apply. If you are registered, go to this e-filing of application. You have to enter your user ID. I'm entering mine, AS Rumale. Okay, and then enter the password and this captcha ZED2H8. Captcha is entered. So, okay, so once you click on the submit, you get this screen. Here you are on e-filing of application, pending application, status of the application, details of processing fee, checklist, workflow, upload discrepancy reply, generate diary number, upload dramatic or say re-upload the work by applicant. So click on this e-filing applications one. So here you get the complete steps by the whatever you do is say, that is, please take hard copy print of the acknowledgement slip and a copyright registration report and send it by post to the following address. Okay, so that's you have to do. Following say, and list of documents attached in PDF will ensure that is PDF will install in your system. So here is the checklist of the document for the PDF. Let's see what are the documents that we require to have. Okay. So if you are having these different things, these are the different lists. For example, if you are on the softwares, then you have to have the 3 copies of work, DD, IPO, authentication author, authorization from author publisher, likewise. Okay, they are given all these list. Okay, this have to be submitted by hand by filling the application form. So this is the list. Okay, so now click here for online copyright registration. So once you click on the online copyright registration form, it's very easy. Here you have to enter your information. I'm entering mine. Should enter yours, and save the party details after entering the thing. Then this for the communication address. Okay. So once again enter your information if you are having the communication address different than above. Okay. It is always better to re-enter things even if you are having the same address. Okay. Once the form is filled, say I accept. You have to accept this thing. Okay. And once this I accept is done, you have to save the stage 1 filing. Okay, so stage 1 filing is saved. You say OK. After this, I have to enter on the stage step 2, okay, your data. So you are select as an individual, and once you selected as an individual, say same as the communication address, so data get automatically filled up. You won't require to fill that data once more. Once this done, you have to choose a signature. For that purpose, on a plain sheet, just do your signature, and from that uh, take a photograph of the signature. A JPG file must have to be less than 512 KB, and upload the signature here. Okay. So once the signature is uploaded, you have to select the interest. So you are like here, I am the author of the book, so I'm saying author. You are seeing the class of the work. I'm seeing literary and dramatic. Okay. Then I'm adding here the description of works. Okay. I read the title. Once the title is added, I have to choose the language. Okay. So I'm choosing the language here. Once the language is choose, I have to select the name, address, nationality of author, and author is okay. So passing name, address, everything is selected. So once this is done, you have to consider whether this is published or not. So I say I published this in 2018, so I'm saying published. So I'm selecting here same as applicant. So it is published. The year of publication is 2018 India, and okay. Once this is done, okay, just ask things. So adding simple thing. Book is published on Google Books. So this book is published on Google Books. Let us can even add the link for this. So I'm saying yes, Romali. So add a extra the link also and say save. So say please provide details marked in red. So the details which we have not entered is that is so years and countries of subsequent applicant. So this is used. I say C. So data is saved. If you second step. So data is saved successfully. I'm saying statement of particulars. So here they will ask you whether your work is original or not. For example, if you may have the translation of a work in a public domain, some books may be there, translation of work in which copyright subsides, an adaptation of work in public domain, or an adaptation of work in which copyright subsides. So you see, no, my work is original work. As soon as you say work is original, the rest will become automatically disabled. So here you have this. It's not a translation. and likewise, and there are no remarks we require to fill, so I'm saying save. This is what thing. So the data is saved successfully. The next thing here is to payment details. So we have to go for the payment detail. It is RS 500 for literary and dramatic work, and you just have to say pay. Once your payment is done, it gives you the print acknowledgement letter. Okay, so you have to see, select this print acknowledgement letter. This is the diary number, registration or diary number. This number is there, and how to this print the page. So here we get this print page. I'm saying print. So it says that printer it upload literary or dramatic artistic work. So two copies of works. I'm saying upload. So you have to upload the document. Work awaited. Upload the documents. Diary number. I'm saying date of print. I'm saying select. So you have to upload. So we are uploading the literary work to be copyrighted. Now to choose the file. Then with another say no, NOC of publisher, NOC of author, see this, date, others, and dates. So it's not necessary because it's me who's done. So literary work to be copyrighted is uploaded, and so this is how we can uh, so status waiting view document. This data is uploaded and likewise. So this is how you can get your copyright. Now I have to wait for the next 30 days to get this copyright. Okay, and I think all of you have got the idea about the copyright work. Okay, so I'm just logging out and expect that you will do your copyright works accordingly. Thank you very much for listening this video. Okay.